Our joint stock company for the production of medicines has been producing effective drugs for the treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases for 15 years. To manufacture our products, we use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP. We successfully supply our products to CIS countries. I, Ivan Fedorovich Iviv, am the leading manager of production organization. A year ago, the company management decided to expand the sales market and supply its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. In order to enter the Baltic market, our company planned to supply a popular antibacterial drug in new cartons. The drug solution is delivered in 5 ml glass ampoules. In the box, we made sure to enclose a paper manual, a paper sheet with information about the prescription, method of administration, and side effects of the drug. We wanted to be sure that our ampoules and paper instructions would not fall out of the box during transportation, so we decided to buy a machine which would be able to stick labels on cardboard boxes and ensure the safety of the drug. We bought the labels we planned to glue in advance. The design and the color and size of the labels had already been agreed with the management, so we were looking for a machine which would be able to stick our round blue 1.5 cm labels onto the cardboard surface tightly. I was entrusted with the selection of a labeling machine that is used for automatic or semi-automatic labeling of pharmaceutical and medicinal products. I wanted to complete the task as quickly as possible in order to be able to work on another problem that unexpectedly arose in the ampoule sealing area. A breakdown of this equipment meant a shutdown of the entire site, which I could not allow, so I went in search of a labeling machine with the confidence that I would find the necessary equipment immediately. I decided to look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I did my search through the internet. I chose according to location, delivery terms, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen labeling machines, and would send me on a second search. I then looked into a machine for labeling equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 5 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced until 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on a translator, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of purchasing automatic equipment for sticking self-adhesive labels on cardboard boxes with Bacter side by myself, and decided to turn to an intermediary specialist. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet, I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I would be confident, who would supply me with automatic equipment for sticking self-adhesive labels on cardboard boxes within the specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediaries. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager and got a good consultation about the equipment I wanted. The specialist told me about the features of the machine, sent me the video clip by email, cited the experience of past customers, which I subsequently took into account in my work. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we signed a contract for the delivery of automatic equipment for self-adhesive labels on cardboard boxes. I would like to mention that I told the manager about my problem and desired delivery time. He recommended me a good adjuster and repairer whom we already work with and are happy with the result. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the task at hand and free up time that can be spent to your advantage.